In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Shopify appointment booking app. We'll walk through the entire process of installing the Tipo appointment booking app and configuring it so your customers can easily book time with you right from your online store. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the main dashboard, go up to the search bar at the top. Click into the search bar, choose the apps option, then type Tipo appointment and press enter on your keyboard. In the results, look for Tipo appointment booking. Click on it, then click to install the app. Follow the installation prompts Shopify shows you, and once the installation is complete, open the app to begin the setup process. Inside the app, click the Get Started button. You'll be asked to enable the app on your storefront. Click Enable. This will automatically open your online store editor in a new view. In the editor, look for the section called App Embeds. Find Tipo appointment booking there, toggle it on, and then click Save in the editor to apply the change. When that's done, go back to the app setup screen and click Next. Now you'll choose whether you're setting this up just for yourself or for a team member. Select the option that applies to you. Then choose your correct time zone so your appointments line up accurately. Click Next to continue. Next, you'll set up your profile. Enter your first and last name, your email address, and if you want, your phone number. Then you'll configure your availability using the calendar. You can move to the next month with the right arrow or back to the previous month with the left arrow. If you click Show Less, the calendar will display one fewer week. Click Show More to reveal an additional week. You can adjust these more than once until you see the range you need. Click on any day to edit your time availability. A pop-up will appear where you can set a start and end time. You can add intervals too. For example, set a morning block. Add an interval for your lunch break, and then add an afternoon block. You can also mark a date as unavailable or available all day. Then decide whether these settings apply only to that specific date, to all of that weekday, or to a range of days or weeks. When you're happy with it, click Apply. Next, choose your booking type. For this setup, select Regular Booking. Then choose the payment method type: Pay Now, Pay Later, Free, or allow customers to choose between paying now or later. Click Next. A pop-up will ask you which product or products the bookings should be attached to. Select the product your appointments are for, then click Add. You'll now configure the appointment capacity and duration. Set the maximum number of people allowed per appointment, and choose how long each booking should last. For example, one person for every 30-minute slot. Below that, confirm your payment options, such as whether customers need to pay to book or can book without paying upfront. When everything looks good, click Next to finalize the setup. At this point, your setup is complete. To test it, go to your online store and navigate to the product you connected to the booking app. Underneath that product, you should now see a Book Now button. Click it, and you'll see the appointment options exactly as you configured them. Your available dates and times, the duration, and the payment choices. That's all you need to get the Tipo appointment booking app up and running on your Shopify store so customers can start booking appointments with you directly from your product page.